এই 11:30 কটা আর কটা পর্যন্ত করবা?
Just 10 minutes, okay, not more. We have some
আচ্ছা,
kind
হ্যাঁ
of
হ্যাঁ, করো করো।
graphical view here, right? We have two equation, 2x plus y plus 12z equal 1, x plus 2y plus 9z equal -1. So yeah, we got, yeah, just 10 minutes, maybe more, not more than 10 minutes. So here is the solution set. X comma y comma z is the value of x will be 1 minus 5z, value of y will be -1 minus 2z. We can calculate it on the upside, okay? They have calculated here, okay? If I had time, I could explain. But for now, we are seeing the graphical view. So the solution of x is 1 minus 5z, y is -1 minus 2z, and z is only z, okay? So if I take some value of 3, you see here I can just increase and decrease the value, right? So I can see how this value of x, y, z, they change, right? It goes from downward to upward. It goes from down to up, right? So this is the implication of our linear algebra, okay? So when maybe we are in AI sector, so we will have to model some kind of maybe virtual things, or we will need to train our computer how a object looks like. So we will have a lot of computer drawing, okay? So that's why we need to work with this kind of numbers and also this kind of geometry in future. So that's why we need to learn all the systems, that how can we present them using some kind of equation or some kind of linear algebra. So I wanted to show you this. Now let's go back to our note. Maybe we have only a few steps here. Okay. So here is the end. And at the last part, we have augmented matrix. So here we discuss how we can solve a matrix system, okay? For example, firstly, we multiply an equation through by a non-zero constant. Because if I multiply 0 here, so this will make 0, this will make 0, and this will also make 0. That's why we must multiply using something that is not 0, okay? Maybe 2, 3, 4, or anything else, but not 0. Then you can get some kind of matrix, and you can do some operation here, and hopefully you can make you can draw a diagonal line and make all the number 0 before that diagonal line. Okay, guys? And then you will find a solution of x, solution of y, and solution of z. So this is how we solve augmented matrix. So the second step is interchange two equation. That means we have to use some formula here, okay? I already show you before, like I already showed you, like R2 minus 2 into R1. So we substitute them in R2 maybe. Guys, yeah, do you remember those formula? I discussed like 1 hour ago. So this is the second step. And the third step is add a constant times on equation to another elementary row operations. So it is also the same, like we have to play with some formulas, okay? We have to think of some formulas. So this way we practice linear algebra, and this is the note of our Laoshi. This is the PPT of our Laoshi. So she tried to explain some kind of echelon form, and maybe there was more. So I have to study them again, okay? And then maybe hopefully I will arrange another group study up in the week, maybe on Wednesday or some date, okay? So I need to study more.
How about your Chinese class, sir?
Sorry?
When you will take our Chinese class?
Oh, Chinese class. I'm also weak in Chinese, but maybe maybe next week, okay? Maybe next week. Maybe next Saturday.
Nice.
next Saturday because I need to study Chinese also.
I need it badly, boy.
So I'm stopping the recording and maybe